How to fix TikTok direct message option not showing. If direct messages is not showing on TikTok, then simply follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to launch open your device settings. Once you have launched open your settings, go ahead and select the option of connections. Here, find the option of Wi-Fi. Now, check if you are connected to a strong internet connection. If not, you can simply switch to data and then check if your issue is fixed. Next thing you want to do is head back over to your settings, scroll all the way down. Here, you want to find the option of software update. Make sure that you have updated your software. If not, simply update that. After that, launch open TikTok. Make sure to log into your account. Now, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Here select settings and privacy. Then you want to select privacy. Once you have selected privacy, find the option of messaging. Now select permission settings. Here make sure that you have allowed requests. So select the option of request for both of these options. Once you do that, this error will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.